Soyoon and I am a student at 청담 평촌. This week's topic is which do you prefer, books or TV shows? If you read books, your imaginary can get very good and there are many varieties of books. If you watch TV shows, you can be entertained and there are also many varieties of TV shows and movies. But my favorite thing to do is watching TV. I have two reasons to support my opinion. First, if you watch a movie on the TV with your family and friends, you can have a very fun time. If you were to watch a very fun action movie, you and your family or friends can have a very fun time. Also, when you eat popcorn or drink a delicious drink while watching a movie, it can be very relaxing. For example, after a really long and sleepy day, if you come home and watch a relaxing movie or TV show, it can be very relaxing and peaceful. I once was very tired after my math academy, so I went home and watched my favorite movie, Queen of Tears, and it got me very relaxed. Second, you can grow your imagination by watching movies. Many people think that if you want to grow your imagination, you have to read books, but that is not always true. Some movies don't have an ending, so you have to predict the ending with your imagination. And some fantasy movies can grow your imaginations, like Harry Potter, Pirates of the Caribbean, and more. Also, if you're watching a fantasy movie, you can admire the movie director's creativity. There can be many surprises in the movie that you have never thought about. Last month, I saw a movie that doesn't have a clear ending, so I had fun imagining the ending. In conclusion, I think that watching TV is better because first, you can have a very fun time, and second, you can grow your imagination. Thank you for listening to my presentation.